Good evening, all achievers. It's an incredible honor to stand before such an inspiring gathering of accomplished women. Each of you here tonight is a testament to the boundless potential of determination, passion, and resilience. Today is not just a milestone for you, it is also a realization of a dream that I shared with my husband, Puneet, a dream of creating an education system that does more than teach. We envisioned a system that inspires children to dream big and achieve even bigger. Today, as I launch our chain of foundation learning centers, I'm filled with hope for the future. These centers are not just places of learning, but spaces of transformation, where young minds will be nurtured to dream boldly and achieve fearlessly, much like the remarkable women we celebrate tonight. Our curriculum is designed with a purpose to prepare children for a world that demands innovation, creativity, and compassion. Rooted in science and child psychology, it equips young learners with the skills and confidence they need to become the achievers of tomorrow, the future trailblazers, entrepreneurs, and leaders of our society. This initiative is powered by a passionate team who share my conviction in the cause. Together, we believe that every child with the right environment and support can grow into someone the world looks up to, much like the incredible women in this room. Let us continue to inspire, empower, and nurture, because through education, we can shape not just individuals, but the future of our nation. Congratulations once again to all the achievers here tonight. You are our inspiration. Here's to preparing the next generation to follow in your footsteps and soar even higher. Before we introduce the remarkable individuals behind this incredible initiative, it is my privilege to invite the Minister of Higher Education, Dr. M.C. Sudhakar sir, to grace the presence with his presence. Here's to creating a legacy of learning.
Spurti always gives me opportunities where I feel empowered every day, because every time I've walked into this hall, it's for her to empower 100 more women in this room. So thank you, Spurti, for giving me this opportunity every time. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the entire team for Junior Toes' first step to big dreams. Education for me has always been taking ownership of their learning and a combination of knowledge, skills, and values, ma'am, as you rightly mentioned to the rest, and I'm sure Junior Toes is going to do that. And to Sudhakar sir, we're not competitors, we're a community of learners. So we are here to support each one of us, and I'm here to support you guys, not just in your endeavor, as you take your ups and downs, because education for me is so important because it keeps the child in me alive. And I'm sure all of you, and wishing Ashwini ma'am to keep her child in herself alive as she starts off this Junior Toes. Congratulations to the entire team, and all the best as you transform the new generation of Karnataka, new generation of India going forward. Thank you so much and have a wonderful journey.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. May I please request Spurti to speak a few words?
Elrigu namaskara. My voice is gone. I haven't had slept for 3 days. I still want to tell what is gone behind building this Junior Toes. It was that day, Appu Cup nadita ittu. Appu Cup alli Sunita ma'am, Ashwini ma'am ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಅಪ್ಪು ಸರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಿತ್ತು, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮಂತಹ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಅಚೀವರ್ಸ್, ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಗುನ, ಜಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಮಗುನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಶುರು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಟೋಸ್ ಮೇಲಿರಲಿ. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ CEO ಆಫ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಟೋಸ್, I take this opportunity to promise our country not just to recognize women achievers, but to create achievers for tomorrow. And Junior Toes will take a pledge today, all of us together, that we are going to create future leaders for our country, future leaders for India, which is extremely important. Thank you so much. And I would also like to invite, this is not just a preschool. This is not just yet another preschool of 40-50 schools in your city, in your area, but I would request you and invite you to come and visit our school someday. We have 9 branches launching for the June academic year. I would love to invite all of you to visit our school and see what is the difference that we are going to create in terms of the preschool education. With that, I thank you all, and I would like to invite our franchisee partners with a photograph, and after that, we will continue with the awards. And thank you so much, everyone here. Thank you so much, sir. It's such a honor to launch our brand, our baby with you. And Ashwini ma'am, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಈ KWA ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, IWA ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೊಂದು ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ KWA and IWA has given me, and all the achievers who came today, that is KW, I mean, that is what I have got back from this platform. We have not earned anything else, but we have earned something beyond anybody could ask us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sunita ma'am, Nimma Kansu, I promise all of us will create future leaders. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Spurti.
I would like to invite our franchisee partners, Venkatesh sir, Yelanka Junior Toes franchisee partner, Krishna Basani sir, and behalf of Krishna Basani sir, we have a representative from Acharya Junior Toes. We have a Junior Toes in Acharya. And Mamata Kumar and Sindhu Vastare, our RR Nagar franchisee partner for Junior Toes. Nagaveni madam, franchisee partner of an upcoming franchisee. And Suma Anand,